So now we'll move on to the second article of today's editorial, that is mixed messaging. Okay, so we'll quicker and faster complete our second article, so we'll complete our editorial session for today. So mixed messaging. India's effort to attract capital will not result in a flood of FDI till investors see policy stability. India's effort. So whatever the efforts India will keep to attract capital will not result in a flood of FDI till investors see policy stability. Okay. Prime Minister Modi last week elaborately pitched India as an investment destination that could serve as a manufacturing hub at the heart of global supply chains. Prime Minister Modi last week elaborately is nothing but detailed, or you can say intricate. Okay, I would prefer a simple classic style, nothing to elaborate. Okay, like saying something in a detailed way. Like you can also say that my teacher explains me very elaborately, like very detailedly. Okay, the pitch made at the US India Strategic Partnership Forum comes in the backdrop of the government's keenness to use the disruptions the COVID 19 pandemic has caused to the cross border movement of goods as an opportunity to lure potential investors, especially those looking to relocate from China to India. So, backdrop, like India and the US are having the economic partnership, and what there's a backdrop. The view behind something, or like what you're seeing my backside, it's nothing but a wall and a curtain. So, it is the backdrop of me. What is it is a view behind me, and other meaning is general situation in which particular event happened. Today we work against the backdrop of an industry in the midst of change. And what is my big keenness? You will say that you should observe it in a very keen manner. Keen is nothing but quality of being anger, willingness, desire. Like what I have said you the example just before is, it doesn't indicate something that anger is. Desire, you should look at something very keen, like you should look at if you look at something you should grasp it very carefully. Okay, that is nothing but keen. But Sarah shows no keenness to leave, no willingness to leave. Okay, we'll move on. This stack is consistent with recent initiatives to explore supply chain synergies with other economies, including Japan, as an escalating border feud casts a shadow over India's economic and trade ties with its northern neighbor. Okay, this stack is consistent. What does Mumbai tack? Sharp, broad-headed nail. Pin, staple, secure. So whenever you take a bunch of paper and you tack it, it's not that you're stapling it. Okay, very clear cut. You understand it very clear cut. We tagged a few decorations for the party. And what is my synergies? The combined power of a group of things when they are working together, that is greater than the total power achieved by each working separately. Teamwork at its best results in a synergy that can be very productive. Okay. The reasoning appears to be sorry. And what is my feud? Prolonged quarrel, dispute, squabble, fight. The mayor has a long lasting feud with the media. The reasoning appears to be that if even within a few multinational enterprises can be drawn to set up manufacturing bases, either by shifting facilities or as new additional plants, then not only does the Indian economy stand to gain FDI, new jobs and tax revenue, but it also makes a statement. Clearly, officials must have advised Mr. Modi that US businesses were the ideal target given the worsening relationship between Washington and Beijing and the ongoing trade standoff between the world's two largest economies. On the face, of it. The approach seems inarguably sound. Inarguably sound itself indicates here particular. Okay, the rub, however, lies in the government's recent Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative of making India more self-reliant. Over the decades, it has been established that global FDI investors prioritize and are even willing to pay a premium for policy stability and largely barrier-free access to local and international markets. The drive for self-reliance has spurred several ministers to urge companies and industry sectors to replace imports with the Made in India substitutes from the shipping ministry's call with design and manufacture of indigenous. Indigenous is nothing but native, aboriginal, local. So you can see, so who are the indigenous people of this land? Who are the native people? Who are the locals? Okay, and also, and the next one we'll read is indigenous tugboats. The tugboats which are prepared by locals. Okay, tugboats is nothing but so if your car is stopped, you get a crane, right? There you get a crane. This one will be giving the motion for you. That is nothing but tugboat. Okay, sorry, so that is nothing but vessel. Tugboat actual meaning is vessel that maneuvers other vessel by pushing or pulling them either by direct contact or by means of a tow line pull jerk. Okay, so this one will be pulling, right, to keep in the motion. That is nothing but tugboat. Okay, so tugboats to auto component makers being told to abjure foreign parts. The thrust of the initiatives is evidently import substitution. Abjure is nothing but solemnly renounce, reject, acclaim. She abjured her old beliefs. It is hard to imagine any potential foreign investors in manufacturing being ready to source capital goods locally prioritize. Where are we? Capital goods locally, assuming they're available even at the cost of possibility comprising on quality wait a minute on quality or price or both, betraying the government's anxiety. Mr. Modi took pains to stress the push for self-reliance should not be interpreted as India's turning its back on the world. Separately, from the market access perspective, India's decision to not join the RCEP multilateral trade pact would put investor companies seeking to tap consumers in RCEP member countries at a tariff disadvantage. Interestingly, most of the recent FTI announcements have been by the way of stake. Stake is nothing but a share or financial involvement in something. So, having a partnership, that is nothing but stake. He has no financial stake in the company. He is not having any share in the company. Attracting FDI into manufacturing, stake acquisitions in existing businesses and predominantly in the service sector. Predominantly, like in this word, just you take the word dominant. Pre doesn't act in this one. Mainly, mostly, chiefly. She is predominantly a dancer, but she also sings. Attracting FDI into manufacturing will require the government to convince investors that is committed not merely in words but in deeds as well to an open barrier-free global trade and investment order. Okay, this is our second article and the tone of the article is a little bit different today. Its tone is analytical. Okay, so and I hope every one of you have understood the video and I thank every one of you for watching this video. Thank you very much.